નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Class 4 Maths Chapter number 1 Building with Bricks. Children, in our previous video we had learned the concept introduction of bricks, different wall patterns and floor pattern, different types of Jali Jarukha patterns, story of Jagriti school, how to draw a brick, a wall that will not fall, different wall patterns, looking through a brick, Jali, draw Jali and Jarukha pattern on wall. At last we learned the size of a brick. We measure the brick size with scale. Bricks hot and fresh. In this concept we had learned about the brick kiln. Then making process of bricks. We seen how to make bricks, right? And then bricks arrangement, how they arrange the bricks, and arc and special type of arch, gungat wali merab. This concept we had already learned. Now we will continue our chapter. Now look at your textbook, page number 11. Let's start reading. Ganesh and Sahiba love to look at the pattern of bricks in the long lines kept out to dry. They also watch how bricks are made. Here Ganesh and Sahiba, both friends, are like to see the patterns of brick in long lines. Okay, in this picture we can see the bricks are arranged in long line. Here in this picture we can clearly see these bricks are already dried up, and in this picture this man sitting inside the bricks, right? This man arranged the bricks for drying. Okay children, now next, here are 4 pictures from the brick kiln. Here they give us 4 pictures from brick kiln. These pictures are jumbled up. Look at them carefully. Here they give us pictures. We have to arrange it in correct order. Write the correct order. Here we have to write the correct order. Look at this picture carefully. First A. Observe it. These bricks are made and dried. Okay. And look at the picture B. These men arrange the bricks and mold out the bricks. In picture D, these men shaping the bricks with using molds. Here you can see the mold, right? Then next, in picture C, these people are digging out the muds and mix the water to prepare the brick material. Now you have to think which process is first to making a brick. We had already learned the process how to make a brick, right children? So you have to think the first process. Yes, first we have to dug the mud and mix the water. So here we have to write answer first process C, right? Then next D. Give the shape. Then next mold out. First C, then D and B, right? And last one, A. Bricks dried out, right? Children, you have to write answer like this. A correct order in which a brick is made out of soil dug from the earth is C, D, B and A. This is the correct form of the pictures. Okay. Now here one note is given. Let's we read. How do you think a brick is made out of soil dug from the earth? Look at the pictures and discuss in group. You have to look these pictures and you have to discuss with your friends in group. Okay, children? Now in next page, have you seen a brick kiln? Children, you already know about the brick kiln, right? If you seen the brick kiln, then you have to write answer yes, I seen. Okay, and if you don't seen, then you have to write answer I don't seen. Now next, did you try to guess the number of bricks kept there? If you seen the brick kiln, then you have to write answer how many bricks are kept in the brick kiln. Here we can give answer. There are maybe more than 1 lakh brick kept in a brick kiln. Okay. There are many brick kilns in India. Thousands of them. More than 100,000. Can you imagine how big this number is? This number is also called 1 lakh. Can you try to write out it? Ask your friends where they have heard of a lakh. Children, in this paragraph they told us in India there are many brick kilns available. Okay. 1,000 and 100,000. Children, 100,000 also called a 1 lakh. Okay, both are the same. Now here they asking us, can you write it in numbers? Yes, we can write. We have to put 5 zeros after 1. That's make 1 lakh. Okay, children? Children, here we can write answer of 1 lakh. This is the number, right? And you have to write answer in your textbook. Now next, find out. Look at these photos and guess how many bricks are carried by this truck. And also find out from a truck driver how many bricks they can carry in one truck. Here we have to just assume and write answer. We can see in these photos the truck carry many bricks, right? Here we can write answer. Truck carries near about 5,000 bricks. And next we have to ask the truck driver how many bricks carried out in one truck. Here we have to ask the truck driver and get the answer. Children, here you have to write answer like this. It is carrying around 5,000 bricks. And a truck driver tells that he carried nearly 5,000 bricks in his truck. This is the answer we have to get from truck driver. Now next mental math. Bhajan buy bricks. Bhajan went to buy bricks. The price was given for 1000 bricks. The price were also different for different types of bricks. Old bricks rupees 1200 for 1000 bricks. New bricks from Intapur rupees 1800 for 1000 bricks. And last one, new bricks from Brickabad rupees 2000 for 1000 bricks. Here Bhajan goes to buy a brick in brick kiln. The price chart is given here. The price for 1000 bricks and price for different types of bricks are different. We already seen the chart, okay? They give us 3 types of bricks and price is also for 1000 bricks, okay? Now Bhajan decided to buy the new bricks from Brickabad. He bought 3000 bricks. How much did he pay? Here Bhajan want to buy new brick from Brickabad. The third one you can see in this chart. He want to buy 3000 brick. Okay. So how much he have to pay for 3000 bricks? So here we have to calculate the total amount. First of all, cost of 1000 bricks rupees 2000, okay? Then what is the cost of 3000 bricks? Here we have to do multiplication. In this you can clearly see rupees 2000 multiplied by 3. So the answer is rupees 6000. So he paid rupees 6000 for 3000 bricks. Now next, guess what he will pay if he buys 500 old bricks. Here we have to just guess the answer for 500 old bricks. The cost of 1000 bricks of old bricks is rupees 1200. So the cost of 500 old bricks are half of this amount, right children? So 1200 divided by 2. The answer is 600. So if the Bhajan buys 500 old bricks, then he have to pay rupees 600 for it. Children, here our chapter is over, okay? I hope you all understood all the topic of this chapter. Thank you for joining us.